In today's video, I will walk you through how to send Zoom meeting invite in Gmail. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along. And let's get started. First, open Zoom and create or schedule your meeting. Once the meeting is scheduled, copy the invitation details, including the Zoom meeting link. Now, go to Gmail and click Compose to create a new email. In the To field, enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite to your Zoom meeting. Next, enter a clear subject for the email. Now move to the main message area. Start by letting the recipients know that you're inviting them to a Zoom meeting. You can include the meeting date and time in the message so everyone knows when the meeting will take place. Next, paste the Zoom invitation information into the email. If you've copied the complete Zoom invitation, you can paste all of those details directly into the Gmail message. It's a good idea to keep the meeting information organized so the recipients can quickly find the details they need. You can also add a short message asking recipients to join at the scheduled time. When you're ready, click Send. The recipients will receive the Gmail message containing the Zoom meeting invitation. They can use the meeting link in the email to join the Zoom meeting when it starts. You can also send a reminder email closer to the meeting time, especially if the meeting is scheduled several days in advance. And that's how you streamline your scheduling workflow in seconds. If this quick tech guide saved you time, hit that like button and subscribe for more bite-sized productivity tips.